Bauer battery chargers use LED indicator lights to show the charging status and alert you if something isn't working correctly. These lights help you understand what stage of the charging process the battery is in. Most Bauer chargers follow a multi-stage charging system that protects the battery and improves its lifespan. During charging, the LEDs may change color or flash to indicate different conditions such as charging, temperature stabilization, or a completed charge. Although the exact meaning of the lights can vary slightly by model, the most common patterns are consistent across many Bauer chargers. Learning what these lights mean can help you quickly identify charging problems and keep your batteries working properly. Step 1. Plug the charger into a working outlet and insert the battery correctly. Step 2. Check the LED indicator to confirm the charger has started the charging cycle. Step 3. Allow hot or cold batteries to reach room temperature before charging. Step 4. Clean the battery and charger contacts to ensure a proper connection. Step 5. Unplug the charger for about 30 seconds to reset it if the lights show an error. Step 6. Replace the battery or consult the charger manual if the LED error continues.